Question 4. Which of the blood cell is not present in the blood of protocardates? Option A, white blood cells are absent. Option B, platelets are absent. Option C, red blood cells are absent. Option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C, red blood cells. The other name of red blood cells are corpuscles. The corpuscles or red blood cells are absent in blood of protocardates, and also there is no pigment in the blood, that's why their blood is colorless. Which one is the example of hemicordate? Option A, acornworm. Option B, roundworm. Option C, acraniates. Option C, lancelets. So the correct answer is option A, acornworm. The other name of acornworm is Blanoglossus. It is the member of class Enteropneusta, which is present in phylum Hemichordata. While the roundworms belongs to Nematoda, acraniates and lancelets are also incorrect. Question 6. Enteropneusta and Pterobranchia are the classes of protocardates, urocardates, hemichordates, cephalocardates. So the correct answer is option C, hemicordate. Enteropneusta, the example of Enteropneusta is Blanoglossus, and the example of Pterobranchia is Rhabdopleura. Both are hemichordates. Question 6. 7. Which of the following Blanoglossus belong to? Option 1 belongs to hemichordata, cephalochordata, urochordata, cyclostomata. So the correct answer is option A. Blanoglossus belongs to hemichordata. Protocardates consist of which of the following? Option A, hemichordata. Option B, urochordata. Option C, cephalochordata. Option D, all. So the correct answer is D, all of above, because protocardates consist of phylum Hemichordata, subphylum Urochordata, and cephalochordata. Also remember that this Urochordata and cephalochordata are the subphylum of phylum Chordata, but still they are present in protocardates due to their similar characteristics with protocardates. Option question 10. Which of the following animal is not a vertebrate? Option A, sparrow. Sparrow is a bird, so it is a vertebrate. Option B is Bractolagus. Bractolagus is the scientific name of rabbit, so it is also incorrect. Tuatra. The scientific name of Tuatra is Saphinodon pactatus. It is present in New Zealand. It is also a reptile, so this option is also incorrect. So right answer is option D, Amphioxus. Amphioxus is not a vertebrate but still a member of chordates. Amphioxus is the member of subphylum Cephalochordata. It is also called as lancelets or branchiostoma. Question 11. The trunk of Pterobranchia is of shaped. Option A, U-shaped, V-shaped, L-shaped, linear shape. So the right answer is option A, U-shaped. U-shaped trunk of Pterobranchia. Question 12. Which of the following animal contain notochord throughout the life? Option A, fish. Option B, Amphioxus. Option C, bird. Option D, snake. So the right answer is option B, Amphioxus. Amphioxus is also called as lancelets. These are the members of subphylum Cephalochordata. Subphylum Cephalochordata animals contain notochord throughout their life. Question 13. Branchiostoma belongs to which of the following class? Option A, Hemichordata. Option B, Cephalochordata. Option C, Urochordata. Option D, Protochordata. So the correct answer is option B. Branchiostoma belongs to class Cephalochordata. Branchiostoma is also called as lancelets and also called as Amphioxus. So the right answer is option B. Question 14. Notochord is restricted only to the tail region in option A. Hemichordates, option B. Cephalochordates, option C. Urochordates, option D. Protochordates. So the correct answer is option C. Urochordate. Urochordates contain notochord only present in their tail. Question 15. Retrogressive metamorphosis is found in which of the following? Option A. Branchiostoma, option B. Blanoglossus, option C. Hardmania, option D. All above. So the correct answer is option C. Hardmania. Hardmania is the member of subphylum Urochordata, and it is also called as tunicates, due to presence of proteins which is cellulose like tunsin. So correct answer is C. Hardmania contain retrogressive metamorphosis. Retrogressive metamorphosis is the metamorphosis in which notochord is present in embryo but absent in adult. That's why it is known as retrogressive metamorphosis. Question 17. Chordates are distinguished from non-chordates by the presence of which character? Option A. Dorsal tubular nerve cord. Option B. Ventral nerve cord. Option C. Dorsal nerve cord. Option D. Brain. So the correct answer is option A. Chordates contain dorsal tubular nerve cord while the non-chordates contain ventral nerve cord. So correct answer is option A. Question 18. Which animals of which group have notochord restricted only to the proboscis? Option is option A. Hemichordates. Option B. Cephalocordate. Option C. Urochordates. Option D. Protochordate. So the correct answer is option A. Hemichordates have notochord present only on the proboscis. Question 19. Which of the following feature is found in protochordates but still present in chordates? Option A. Gills. Option B. Spiracles. Option C. Post-anal tail. Option D. Chitinous exoskeleton. So the right answer is option C. Post-anal tail is not present in protochordates but still present in chordates. Post-anal tail in case of human is present only during the embryonic stage while it is absent in adult. And post-anal tail is formed by the body along the anus. Question 20. Which of the following is a connecting link between chordate and echinoderm? Option A. Blanoglossus. Option B. Archaeopteryx. Option C. Peripatus. Option D. None of above. So the right answer is option A. Blanoglossus is a connecting link between chordate and echinoderm. Also remember that connecting link is an organism which has characteristic from two different groups. Question 21. The connecting link between cyclostomata and amphioxus is option A. Archaeopteryx, option B. Petromyzon, option C. Blanoglossus, option D. None of these. So the right answer is option B. Petromyzon. Petromyzon is actually a jawless fish. It is also called as lamprey. So it is a connecting link between cyclostomata and amphioxus. Cyclostomata is a group of ancient living jawless fishes. Question 22. Which of the following organism possesses wheel organ? Option A. Amphioxus. Option B. Ascidian. Option C. Lancelet. Option D. A and C. So the right answer is D. Both A and C. Amphioxus is the other name of lancelet, and they contain wheel organism. This wheel organism creates water currents, and these water currents help to sweep the prey organisms into the mouth. Question 23. Which of the following is not a vertebrate but still belongs to chordates? Option A, sea cow. Option B, sea skirt. Option C, sea lion. Option D, sea mouse. So the option A, sea cow, which is also called as manatees, is a marine mammal, so it is incorrect. Option C, sea lion, it is also incorrect because sea lion are fossils which are also carnivore, so they are also mammal and vertebrates. Option D is sea mouse. Sea mouse is other name of sea mouse is Aphrodota and it is the member of phylum Annelida. That's why this option is also wrong. So the correct answer is option B, sea sequoiad. Sea sequoiad is not a vertebrate. It is actually a protochordate and present in the subphylum Urochordata. It is also called as tunicates. Question 24. Which of the following is the larva of Melanoglossus? Option A, Trochophore larva. Option B, Tornaria larva. Option C, Muller larva. Option D, tadpole larva. So the right answer is option B. Tornaria larva is the larva of Melanoglossus, while Muller larva is the larva of Turbularian, and tadpole larva is the larva of frog, and Trochophore larva is the larva of phylum Mollusca and Annelida. Question 26. In Urochordata, notochord is found in which location? Option A, head of adult. Option B, tail of adult. Option C, tail of larva. Option D, test of adult. So the right answer is option C, tail of larva. Larva is a notochord is present in tail of larva in case of urochordates. The example of urochordate is sea sequoiad. Also, hardmania is example of urochordata. Question 27. Mode of feeding in tunicates is saprophytic, ciliary feeder, macrophagous, parasitic. So the correct answer is option B, ciliary feeder. Tunicates are present in subphylum Urochordata. Why they are called as tunicates? Due to presence of a ciliary leathery sheath which is made up of cellulose like tungsten protein. That's why they are known as tunicates. And their mode of feeding is ciliary feeding. Question 28. In which of the following notochord is present only in embryonic stage? Option A, vertebrates. Option B, some chordates. Option C, non-chordates. Option D, all chordates. So the right answer is option D, all chordates. All chordates contain notochord present only in the embryonic stage but absent in adults. So the right answer is D. Question 29. Which of the following statement is true? Option A, non-chordates have a vertebral column. This option is incorrect because they don't have. Option B, invertebrates possesses tubular nerve cord. This option is also incorrect because only chordates possesses tubular nerve cord. Option C, all vertebrates are chordates. Option D, all chordates are vertebrates. Option D is also incorrect because all chordates are not vertebrates such as protochordates, semichordates, cephalochordates, urochordates. They are still chordates but are not vertebrates. So right answer is option C. All vertebrates are chordates. The last question and very important, which of the following is the correct classification of Melanoglossus? Melanoglossus is present in the phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, class Enterocosta. So this option is incorrect because Melanoglossus is not the member of subphylum Vertebrata. Option B is present in Chordata. Phylum Hemichordates, class Pterobranchia. This option is also incorrect because Blanoglossus is not the member of class Pterobranchia. Option C, present in Chordata, subphylum Cephalochordata, class Enteropneusta. Again, the class and phylum are correct, but the subphylum is incorrect. That's why this option is also false. The option D, Chordata, phylum Hemichordata, and class Enteropneusta. This option is correct because Blanoglossus is the member of class Enteropneusta and present in phylum Hemichordata and which are present in superphylum Chordates. ये थे आज के 30 MCQs। उम्मीद है आपको ये अच्छे लगे होंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन के बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि आने वाली हर लेटेस्ट वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सकें।